Hello, welcome to our channel. And if you're new here, I'm Audrey, and with me is Martin. Our podcast and YouTube channel is Maple Studios. We talk about anything international, student related content, and share with you valuable tips for your challenges and success.
Yes, and from our previous podcast episode, that was a hit. You know that. So now for
Yeah.
this week, yeah, we will talk about international students' challenges in budgeting. So one of the top questions I'm seeing here from our viewers is, what are your challenges in budgeting your meals as international student? So there are really many challenges that we have right there. But Audrey, can you share me what are your biggest challenges right now?
Well, I can relate to that comment. And same, one of my challenges is financial constraint and also managing time, balancing work and school, yet I still have to be creative with my meals because I also tend to do fitness. And yeah, about you, Martin.
Oh, there's so many challenges that I'm facing right now, and yeah, time management. When I came here in Canada like last year, one of my biggest challenges is really preparing food because I don't have much time.
Yeah,
So
I understand.
you know
Yeah.
what? I tend to buy Popeyes a lot, McDonald's just to save time. So and it made me feel so unhealthy. So right now have figured out how to go about it, and I was able to save time. What about we share some good ideas in meal preparation that are under $10 for our viewers, Audrey? What do you
Well,
have there?
well, I have one in mind right now. I can share it to our viewers.
Overnight oats are my favorites. They're budget friendly, nutritious, and easy to make. This recipe is inspired by blueberry and honey overnight oats by quakeroats.com. You could check their recipe and ingredients down the description box. As for this video, I'm using some ingredients available to me at the moment. Here are the 4 simple ingredients that you will be needing. First would be your rolled oats or any oats that you have, and then for sweetener you can add maple syrup, honey, or even peanut butter. I would love to add some dried fruits and nuts. I have my all-time favorite Filipino snack, which is the dried mangoes, prunes for fiber, and nuts for protein. I prefer to use cashew milk because it is very low in calorie, but you can use any milk. First is get a clean and dry container, then add in your rolled oats, then add in your fruits and nuts if you have fresh fruits or dried fruits. Then add in your sweetener. I'm using maple for this overnight oats. Give it a stir and then add your milk. Make sure that the oats and the toppings are well immersed. Soak it in, give it a stir, and then close the lid properly and refrigerate it overnight. And it should be ready the next day. Also, what you can do is add in some fresh fruits, and there you have it. Enjoy your hearty meal.
Thanks, Audrey. To start my day, I usually start with an avocado toast. So I prepare a slice of bread, fried eggs, and an avocado. For my lunch, I usually prepare quinoa with mixed vegetable. That fills me for the entire lunch. Any protein available for my dinner. There you go. Those are the 2 meals that we have shared with you guys. Midnight oats and mixed veggies quinoa. Both are high in fiber and protein. And that's the end of our video.
Don't forget to subscribe and be notified for our next video. Next week, what we have is interview tips on how to land your dream job.
That's very exciting. So see you next week. Goodbye.